Okay, so this is for the blog post about the toilet that we made that is unfit for human use. So we found that the dogs love to. So in order to do that post, we need to photograph the dogs actually using the toilet. So okay, so bring the dogs. Yeah, photograph the Mr. Photographer. You got to photograph Mr. Photographer. Yeah, you got to photograph the dogs. So you got the dog coroller. Yeah, no, I make the movie and you take the photos. They put it in photo mode. So you got to photograph the dogs actually using the toilet. Okay, put the dog in the toilet. 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 Pause. Okay, let's do the pause. Okay, so the dog coroller has a problem corralling the dogs. Okay, let's bring the dog so that they use. So the dog, even though she's a female, she has to use the urinal like a boy. Okay, so you just put it there. Photographer, you need to take a photo of this. Okay. Now, the dog has to stay in the toilet. What about the other dog? Bring the other dog. Pause. Okay. But try with the other dog. Okay. See, there once puppies are becoming big and heavy. Now I got a slippery ramp. Okay. Okay, put the dog. Okay, dog. Use the toilet. Use the toilet. You got to put the dog in the toilet. Okay, put it on top. So, no. Put the dog there. See. Then the dog's gonna. Well, these toilets are so bad that they're not even fit for dogs. The dogs don't even want to use them. See the punishment.
See, she's also not going.
Yeah.
She's also not going.
Yeah. There's a punishment if you're not a good person. We send you to toilets. It's worse than the. So there you have it, folks. The toilets are not even fit for dogs.
Not only dogs.